Situated in southwestern Ontario, the BT 700 is a 798-kilometer loop in southwestern Ontario designed for any rider who revels in unpaved backcountry roads, testy climbs, and trails through thick forest. The route as a whole is designed to be an adventure cycling route, mainly using unsurfaced riding surfaces that bundles southern Ontario's greatest hits into one neat package. Are you ready to join the Butter Tart Fellowship? Once a year, a common depart will occur at the Eco Cafe in the historic village of St. Jacobs, Ontario, bringing together the bikepacking community. The route is located in the heart of Mennonite country and the source of the amazing butter tarts and, of course, the route name. So on June 16th, myself, Bob, and Dennis will set out on what promises to be a grand adventure. Stay tuned for the BT 700 video series to find out what happens.